Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm making mango shake. So let's get started. Ingredients that you need: 3 cups of mangoes, full cream milk, sugar 5 tablespoons. Process to make: add the chopped mangoes in a blender. Add sugar, milk, ice cubes. Now blend it till the consistency is creamy and thick. Make sure there are no mango chunks left. Put ice cubes in a glass. Now pour mango shake in a glass. It's ready. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.